This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple rows in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with lots of information, and let's suppose I want to get rid of some of these rows. What you need to do is you can either click over here on the left and highlight all of the rows that you want to get rid of, or you can just select the actual rows themselves. Then you want to right click, then select delete rows 10 through 19 because that's what I selected. You can also highlight those rows, then click on edit, then click delete and do the same thing. Delete rows 10 through 20 in this case. When you click on that, those rows are now gone. You can use the same process to get rid of multiple columns at the same time. So this video shows you how to get rid of multiple rows or even multiple columns in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.